Hey, what's up everybody? So I am super excited to bring you guys this video because in this video, I'm going to be reviewing or unboxing the latest collaboration between Kith, Asics, X-Men, and Marvel, celebrating the 60th anniversary of the X-Men series. As a little kid, I do remember buying some X-Men cards. I wasn't a huge collector of them, but I was a huge fan of the X-Men animated series, and the fact that they used the animated series characters for this collaboration, I just think that that is so cool. Basically, the whole experience and the whole concept of this unboxing is that Ronnie Fieg wanted you to experience unpacking a pack of X-Men cards and looking for that special edition or that hologram card that a lot of collectors were looking for. So here, you're basically gonna experience that. I don't know what the hell I have in this box. Nobody does when you first get the shoes. So not only are you gonna get a special edition, you know, superhero colorway, because you have the Wolverine from 1975 colorway, you have the Cyclops, you have the Gambit, which is one of my favorite ones, you have Beast, you have Rogue, you have Storm, and then you also have another Wolverine one, basically from, I think it's a 1980 colorway or costume, which is mostly a brown color. So you definitely have all those different colors, and you don't know where you're gonna get when you unbox it. So that's the really cool thing about it. And you also have a special edition card or trading card inside of the shoe. Some of the cards have a special coloring on the back. I think the black one is like the one of one, and then you have other colors like silver or red maybe. And depending on the color, some of them are more exclusive, some of them are more likely to get. So we're gonna see what we're gonna get here. I really don't know. I have no idea. As you can see, everything is sealed here. So I'm gonna be doing this pretty much live with you guys here. I'm super excited. I'm actually kind of nervous thinking about this. I don't know, I'm kind of getting butterflies thinking because I really want either the Wolverine 1975, because that's the most limited one. That's gonna be the hardest one to get, but I also like the colorway. But I am a huge Gambit fan, and I think Gambit has never gotten the, you know, the true love that he deserves, and I want to get Gambit. That is the one that I want. We'll see what we're gonna get here. So follow with me, and let's just get right into it and see what's up. So let's go. So as you can see here, you definitely have this really cool, you know, X-Men animated box. It's like this sleeve that you're gonna have over the box. Really cool details. I love the black color on this. You have Kith and Marvel branding on this sleeve. So let me just try to get this out. It's kind of tight right now. Man, this is kind of tight. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Nice. So in the front, you have a lot of the popular characters. You got Gambit, Beast, Storm. Some of these, I forgot their names already. You got Magneto on the side here. And then on the back, you have Wolverine, Cyclops, and a few other superheroes as well. So nice touch here for sure. So here's how the box actually looks once you take out the sleeve. According to Ronnie, Asics could not make this box. So I guess he had to work maybe with a different supplier or someone like that to be able to produce this special box, which is very interesting. So as you can see, once again, it's still sealed. So I don't know. Let's see what we're gonna get here. So let's rip this out. I feel like there's a lot of pressure here filming this video because this is kind of like a one take thing. If I mess up or if I stutter, if I mispronounce a word, I'm done. I already opened it. So, you know, bear with me, guys. So here we go. All right, so the box opens up like this. So that's pretty cool. So you have this Mylar bag here on the inside. So let's take this out. So, okay, so there's a card, right? So I can't cheat because if I see that card, I'm gonna know exactly what it is. So I'm just gonna look away and I'm just gonna pull the bag out. I'm not even gonna look at the card because if I look at the card, I'm shot. I'm gonna know exactly what it is. I'm gonna take out the Mylar bag here, put it to the side, close the box so I don't see the card. This is crazy. This is actually a pretty cool experience here. Let me put this over here to the side. All right, cool. So I didn't see the card, have no idea what it is. Again, you have this really awesome Mylar bag here with some X-Men design here for sure. Got the X-Men logo here on the back. So I don't know if you guys can see it there. Whew, man. I'm actually kind of sweating over here. All right, okay, so you rip it from the top here. All right, guys, pray for me. Pray for me that is Gambit, man. That's the one I really want. Pray for me that is Gambit. All right, so here we go. Okay, I guess that didn't rip right. Let me go this way. I brought some scissors with me, so here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. It's open. It's open. Oh, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I see blue. I see blue. Oh, I got the Beast ones. Oh, man. Damn. I'm kind of bummed out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of bummed out. You know, it wasn't my least favorite one, because my least favorite were Rogue and the 1980 Wolverine. But, you know, I mean, I wasn't really a big Beast fan. I'm not really a Beast fan, so I'm kind of bummed out. But nonetheless, the colorway is still nice. As you can see here, you got a lot of hairy suede because, you know, Beast is a beast, right? So you got the hairy suede on these. Kind of bummed out, guys. I really am. But anyway, it is what it is. Maybe I can make a trade or something like that. Yeah, so you basically have a mostly blue upper here. You have white as well. Mostly hairy suede, basically throughout the whole thing. Throughout the whole upper, you have hairy suede. They do come with 3 pairs of laces. So a pair of white laces, a pair of blue laces, and then you got these really cool rope laces as well. So this is the right shoe. You have some Asics and Kith branding on there. Yeah, and the other shoe, which is the left shoe, you're gonna have the Beast stamp there on the back. Overall, the hairy suede, I don't know, feels okay, feels fine, nothing crazy. I felt better hairier suede on other brands and other shoes. But yeah, kind of bummed out that I got the Beast colorway. Let's see, let's look at the card. I haven't seen the card yet. Here's the Beast card, and it's the silver backing, which I believe the silver ones are the most common one. And then on the back, what is on the back? Let me see. Oh, I guess it's like his bio, basically, which is a pretty cool thing. But yeah, got Beast, so So as far as the whole release, currently right now in the Kith app, you can enter the raffle to enter for one of these. I actually got my pair last week through the shock drop. So they have the raffle going on. Not only are they gonna have the raffle for the sneakers, but there's also gonna be an apparel line, which I'm really looking forward to. At least maybe there I'll get a Gambit t-shirt, because there's that one t-shirt that looks amazing that I gotta get. Hopefully I do. There was also an arcade machine that actually released yesterday. That sold out immediately. There was also a raffle. You know, the best shot to get one of those, it was through the raffle. I didn't put in for those. Your boys got bills, and I'm not gonna drop $800. But you look at the resale price now, it's not too bad. But if I would have hit on that, I was gonna keep that. There was no way I was gonna resell that unless the number was crazy. Somebody offered me some crazy money, I would have sold it. But if I would have gone for that, if I really wanted that, I would have definitely kept that, because that would have been really cool to have, you know, in the house, in your man cave, you know, something to talk about when you have visitors over. But I didn't print it for that. It is what it is. I got the Beast colorway. Again, I was hoping for the Wolverine 975, the Gambit. Those were my 2 favorite ones, the ones that I really wanted. Number 3 would have been Cyclops. I think number 4 would have been Storm. This one was actually not my least favorite one, so at least I'm cool with that. I think I would have had Beast next after Storm, then the 1980 Wolverine, the brown one, and then finally Rogue. But again, here with the Beast colorway, super easy to throw on, mostly blue here. Maybe if this would have been mostly black and blue, maybe it would have looked nicer. But again, the colorway is nice, it's not bad. I guess I'm just disappointed that I didn't get, you know, the top ones that I wanted, but it is what it is. So because these are the Gel-Lyte 3 remastered version, basically what that means is that these are like the 2007 Gel-Lyte 3 with those specifications. So one thing that I noticed with these, when I reviewed this super orange one, I went true to size with those, but the tongue wasn't closing on me. And I don't really have really wide feet. I couldn't rock those, they didn't look right. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I did get the super yellows and I went with a 10.5, and the problem was still there. And then not only was the problem with the tongue there, but then also the shoe felt bigger. So I don't really know how to get around that. I know some people have said to wear them, maybe they break in and then maybe they loosen up and maybe the tongue essentially closes. That is a chance you would have to take, you know, when you buy a shoe, especially this one that goes for $195. If you wear it, you break it in, now you lose value on it. It's harder to sell it back, at least for retail. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But for me, I guess at the end of the day, I'll see if I can trade with someone, because that was the whole purpose of this as well. Ronnie did say that the cool thing about this is he wanted you to experience that sort of, you know, trading cars, like, you know, back in the day when he was a kid, trade cars with other people, especially if you got cars you didn't like. Probably that's what I'll do. So I'll probably trade someone, hopefully, and maybe I'll end up with my Gambit pair. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. I am going to throw these on feet so you guys can see them, how they look on feet, and that's it. right, guys, so that's it. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts about this whole, you know, collaboration with Kith, Asics, X-Men, Marvel. Let me know what you guys think about this whole unboxing experience and the whole collaboration. I think at the end of the day, I am disappointed. I keep saying that I didn't get the colorway that I wanted, or I didn't get the superhero that I wanted. But I think that the whole experience, the whole unboxing experience was really, really cool. Like I said earlier in the video, I was actually nervous. I didn't know what I was gonna get. So I was like, I was feeling the pressure a little bit. So I think that that whole experience, I don't think I've ever felt that ever with any sneaker that I've ever bought, right? Because you buy a shoe, you already know what you're gonna get. It is interesting how the whole experience felt, how it all felt. And I think that is unique, and I think that's special, even if you don't get the colorway that you want. But hopefully, you know, if you guys are in the same situation as me, hopefully you'll find someone out there that you can trade with and you'll be able to find the colorway that you want. If I don't find the colorway that I want at the end of the day, I am still gonna keep these because I think that the whole thing is special and it's more like a collectible thing to have. So I think that ultimately that's what I'll do. Once again, Kith, Runify, Asics, you know, Marvel, really awesome job here. And, you know, Kith and Ronnie, you know, really, they do an amazing job with collaboration. Makes it really feel like a collaboration. I think at the end of the day, that's what you want. So mad props to them for doing this. And that's it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace.